In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Ministry of Public Benefits inspects the progress of expansion work and new facilities in Turkundi railway station. The Ministry of Public Health reviews the healthcare services, available facilities and patient care in Herat Specialized Eye Hospital. An earthquake in Colombia leaves 111 people dead. Welcome to Urooj Daily News Package. It's Tuesday, the 27th of Safar Muzaffar 1448, the 20th of Asad 1405, and the 11th of August 2026. The news details. Mullah Muhammad Isa Sani, the Minister of Public Works, during his visit to Herat province, inspected the ongoing expansion work and construction of new facilities in Turkundi railway station. During the inspection, the minister emphasized that the project must be completed in accordance with the terms of the signed agreement. Turkundi port is regarded as one of the key transit routes for transportation of commercial cargoes between Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, and Central Asia. Maulavi Nur Jalali, the Minister of Public Health, visited Herat province and inspected the specialized eye hospital in the province. During the visit, the Public Health Minister toured various departments of the hospital and reviewed the provision of healthcare services, available medical facilities, and the condition of patient care. He also visited the ongoing construction of a 400-bed specialized children's hospital, which is being built by investment from an Afghan trader. The news continuation. The construction of a manufacturing complex for medicine, drinking water, and non-alcoholic beverages has begun in Panjshir province with an initial investment of $10 million by domestic investors. Local officials in Panjshir stated that the project has been undertaken by 4 Afghan investors with the support of the provincial administration and in cooperation with the Ministry of Industry and Commerce. According to the officials, the investment in the project is expected to increase $28 million in the future. And ultimately, Reuters has reported that 111 people were killed and dozens more injured following a 7.4 magnitude earthquake that struck western Colombia yesterday. According to the report, the powerful earthquake caused buildings to collapse and inflicted damage on hospital and critical infrastructures. A number of people are also reported to be trapped beneath the rubble and in damaged buildings. The news conclusion. Blessing time. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.